Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So last year I did a video with Madison Braids and I was showcasing a few different hairstyles that you guys can do with those. And if you aren't familiar with Madison Braid, it's actually a headband that is a braid. So I have a new one here this time and it's a 5-strand braid. So I wanted to show you guys a few different hairstyles to do with this one. I love these because it is a headband with this like stretchy elastic piece. And no one realizes that it's a headband. Like, they think that I legitimately braided my hair. Whoops, as I was saying. They think that I legitimately braided my hair with this, which is awesome for me because it took me like 0 time and it looks like I put in a lot of effort. So yeah, I'm obsessed. I love how well they blend in and I love how cute they are to just instantly dress up any outfit. So I will link my old video from last year down below in case you want to have extra hair tips on how to style these. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Oh, and I forgot to mention, my color, if you guys have similar hair color to mine, I usually go with like the dirty blonde, and that usually matches pretty well. I have noticed that the dirty blonde from like different braid types varies a little bit, but they overall will still blend in really well, especially if you just kind of like do a few different tips or tricks to mesh your hair in with the braids. Okay, let's go.
I got my best friend next to me. She's all I need, undivided loyalty. Yeah, I'm talking about my kitty. She's all I need. End up here, not me for sure.
of my hair tutorial. Don't forget to watch my other video, which I have linked down below, and give this a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will definitely see you guys in my next video.